Series. It's officially the holiday season. Thanksgiving is this week. Watch us do Thanksgiving keto style.
Good. Oh. You're overthinking it. Good. One more.
Disappointed in myself right now. I'm sitting literally in the corner, disappointed in myself right now. I don't know where the disconnect was, but I was hoping to make some gains for Monday, and that didn't happen. I just gotta keep in perspective that not every day is gonna be a killer day, and I need to be patient with myself. I don't think I was. I think my mind got the best of me, to be honest. That's just the truth. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Did I do 3 sets of 8?
Yeah.
Oh, I finally get to graduate to 45s.
Yay.
So I am going to be doing a burn set, and the burn set is basically you go until failure. How many reps you can do, how much you can take. We're gonna do this 20 on shoulder press. Let's go.
Good. 2 more. That's it. Push it. You got it.
Just want to say, never give up. You may start a little rough, may start a little shaky, but I finished strong, and I'm so glad I decided to conquer my mind because it was getting the best of me in the beginning, so never give up. Ooh, hot and steamy. This is leftover steak from Saturday night. It still looks absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness.
These are freshly made.
Try that.
Beautiful. Okay, Ryan's getting on it right now. Okay, Ryan is making a Frankenstein taco. That's what he's calling it. He's got a little bit of everything that we need to get rid of in the fridge on his taco.
Alright, so we've almost finished everything that we're gonna need for...
Do you have Tampax behind you? I can't take you seriously. I cannot take you seriously.
This is where I'm at right now in the Tampax aisle because we picked up one of our last things we're gonna get for the day, which is Epsom salt, right there. So Epsom salt helps alleviate muscle soreness, cramping. It really helps with relaxation with magnesium as well. We got plenty of groceries here. We're helping cook Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna go to my mom's house.
an 8-ounce ribeye steak salad. Take a look at this, guys. This is ribeye, cucumber here, a little bit of celery, Thai chilies, red onions, or green onions, and cilantro here. Oh, tomatoes too here. That's tasty. It's got a lot of lime. It's got a lot of lime, but I don't mind a lot of lime, and it's got a lot of spice, which makes it fantastic. This is a winner.
Look at those guns.
I did 6 or 5?
6.
Woo, that was crazy. 65.6. I am going to be doing negative, so what it is I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to hold as long as I can hold and slowly lower myself. This is going to help build that back muscle, and hopefully in about 2 weeks I could just take all the training wheels off. Today was a double workout. We are getting it in before the Thanksgiving holiday, so we combined 2 workouts in one, and it was the longest workout we've ever done this whole process, but we picked the compound exercises, the exercises that we know are gonna exercise the most muscle within one exercise, and it was intense. Ryan and I are beat. Hey, you're making my recipe.
I sure am.
Guys, look at this. This is so awesome. I think this looks fantastic. We have Keto Asian fried rice, my recipe, but made by Pang. Absolutely delicious. We have kimchi. We got this at the store. It's not homemade. And we have this guy here, pork belly. Look at that. And we season it with fleur de sel, which is our favorite salt.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
OMG. Look at that.
Look at that.
All right. It's ready for you. Are you ready for it?
Are you ready for this? Oh my god. These are the best stuffed mushrooms I've ever had.
OMG, and you made them!
I know.
As you can see here, the shallots are all done. They're lightly crispy. I don't want to crisp them up too much because we are going to bake them. I do not use French's onion. Obviously there's carbs in that, there's gluten and all that. I saute shallots and I put it on top of the green bean casserole, and it is delicious. "20 minutes in the oven it goes." All right, we just arrived. We are celebrating Thanksgiving at Ryan's parents' house. We haven't seen them in a while, so we are excited to catch up over some delicious food and company.
fantastic.
This looks amazing. We are on the road, traveling back home. I got a double-double with no cheese, protein style, and Ryan got a 4x4 there. It feels so good to be back in the groove of things again. Right, baby?
Yeah, absolutely. So glad that we stuck to everything keto.
Yeah,
I don't
definitely
feel like I'm craving any sweets or anything like that. I just feel like kind of like a pig, and you know, that's how you should feel after Thanksgiving. So I'm okay with that.
We got our stretchy pants on, so
yeah,
it's all good. Weight has not changed at all whatsoever. It's still at 112.2. Again, if that doesn't change, nothing else changed. That's just the way the scale works. But what's really cool is if you take a look at the bottom there, I'm in the athletic range in body fat, which is awesome. My skeletal muscle is the same, body water and body fat, weight, they all have remained the same. But I will be showing you two muscle groups that I've not shown in the past vlogs, my back and my triceps. These are the weakest muscle groups for me. And I don't know why I haven't shown it to you, but I asked Ryan to take a video of these areas, and I'm incredibly shocked at how much progress I've made. So take a look at this.
Can you believe that you're back?
I'm honestly in awe right now because I haven't looked at my back in so long. It's completely a different back. It feels like a different person. I'm just so in awe. That's my weakest muscle. So this is, I don't know, I just need to take it in. That video is real. Pictures are nice, but videos, they make it real. All right, I love hearing back from you, and I want to know what was your favorite thing on the Thanksgiving table. If you did not do a ketogenic diet, that's okay. I still want to know what was your favorite dish for Thanksgiving that you just could not pass up. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell for future tippy tales. And as always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We will see you in week 9.